Adioki channel, and today I am going to show you how to make pancakes. First, to make this type of pancakes batter, we have to take the pancake mix powder, put it in a bowl, then take some milk and pour it into the bowl with the pancake mix powder. Then we have to stir it properly for some time. After you get this type of batter, start the gas on up and wait till the pan gets hot. When the pan gets hot, we will start putting the batter.
I pancake my baya.
Now you have to put the batter into the pan in whatever shape you want. Then when you find bubbles on the pancake, it means that it's almost ready and you have to flip it. Now is made some yummy pancake. Now all we have to do is apply some butter on the pancake and a little bit of honey. Now I'll put some honey. Now our pancake honey just has to get spread everywhere. And now it's ready to be eaten.